Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting this stainless steel handrail on this brick veneer. Now this should have been a straightforward job, but as you can see, this turned out to be the hardest brick I'd ever drilled. This is harder than any foundation I'd ever drilled. I'm not sure what the story was with it. I was expecting a soft brick, and I got this super hard, I don't know, alien asteroid brick or something. This is a rent house. I was doing this for the landlady, so it ended up taking me about parts of 3 days. I didn't have a lot of time to spend on it. I told her it wouldn't take long to begin with, and it ended up, like I said, taking parts of 3 days. I eventually had to go buy more masonry bits to get through this. And as you can see, when I use the tapcons, it didn't turn out good. So I had to drill larger holes and use a different type of anchor. So let's get on with the video, and I'll show you how I installed this handrail on the brick veneer. Okay, first you're going to start by holding your handrail up and marking the hole locations. To begin with, I just mark one location, one hole, drill it, put a fastener in it, and then drill the other ones. Most building codes will require the handrails to be between 34 and 38 inches from the top of the tread. Can you see that? The brick's so damn hard that when you go screw these in, it's just flattening those threads on those tapcons. It's crazy. They ain't holding for crap. Okay, this is finally what I'm using. 1/4 inch of what I think they are. 1.5 inches. And takes a 5/16 bit, but I'm pre-drilling with a 1/4 inch to save my 5/16 bits for the final. So I have plenty of 1/4 inch, and this brick is hard. The hardest brick I've ever seen. So I got my other locations marked, and I'm going to get on it with some 1/4 inch. Okay, change of plan. I actually went down to a 3/16 for my initial hole, pilot hole. Then I will go to 1/4, then I'll work my way up to 5/16. That's working much better.
going to take some kind of adhesive and get all over that molly, and we're going to put it up here in the, kind of spread it as we push it in. There we go, kind of wipe that off. And we're going to wait for that to get hard, and we're going to do the other ones that way too. So I want to get this one and this one on each end set, so by the time I get my other holes drilled, these will be set and ready to screw in, and I'll be able to screw the other ones in and get out of here. Now while this is drying, I'm going to screw my screw into it so it will expand out against the brick. And there. Now see a little squeeze out right around there, and I'm going to do the same to this one down here, and that way when by the time I get the other ones drilled, oh, that's spinning inside already. That's what you got to worry about, some of these. And that's why I want to get this expanded out, the molly expanded out like that while the adhesive dries. Okay, day 3, we got them drilled finally. Not going to drill this bottom one, or I did, but it won't match up. If there is a problem, I will come back and drill the flange and put a new hole in there, but I don't anticipate. I got the other 5. I don't anticipate that being a problem. So let's get this new handrail screwed on and see what we got here. Good idea not to get these all tightened until you absolutely get done. All right, there we go, one handrail mounted in a brick wall. That is the hardest brick I have ever drilled. And so yeah, you can use the plastic anchors. You've seen the Loctite glue adhesive that I used. So hey, till next time, I'll show you these steps. Perfect. Well, maybe not perfect, but good enough. So anyway, Blue Collar DIY, Donald. Hey, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the blog.